The DJI Osmo 360 marks DJI's entry into the world of 360-degree action cameras, featuring dual 1-inch sensors that significantly enhance image quality and low-light performance. With native 8K video recording at up to 50 frames per second, the camera sets a new benchmark for immersive content capture. Its waterproof design, certified to IP68 standards, and 105 gigabytes of built-in storage make it well-suited for dynamic environments and extended shooting sessions. The Osmo 360 excels in delivering sharp, vibrant footage, supported by advanced stabilization and automatic selfie stick removal for a seamless viewing experience. Recent firmware updates have introduced innovative features like twist shot and improved panoramic video quality. However, the camera's lenses are not user-replaceable, and underwater video recording is not supported at launch, which may be limiting for some users. Overall, the Osmo 360 is a compelling choice for content creators seeking high-resolution, immersive video, provided its current limitations align with their needs.